Hello, and welcome to the My Day 9 of 30-Day Healthy Lifestyle Eating Plan. This plan is designed to help you reset your relationship with food, energize your body, and embrace a sustainable way of healthy living. Remember, this is about progress, not perfection. Every step you take towards a healthier lifestyle is a victory. So let's get right into it. Starting with breakfast, grab a bowl and add 1/4 cup of plain Cheerios. These provide a good dose of fiber to keep you full and energized throughout the morning. If you prefer, you can swap out the cereal for low-fat or non-fat Greek yogurt. Add 6 ounces of Greek yogurt to your bowl. It's a fantastic source of protein and calcium. Then add 3 or 4 cups of your favorite berries. Berries are not only delicious, but also packed with antioxidants and vitamins. And don't forget the almonds. Add 12 chopped almonds for a healthy dose of fats, protein, and fiber. To make it more enjoyable, you can sprinkle some sliced almonds on top. For the base, start with 1 cup of milk and replace your usual sugar with a sugar substitute like stevia or Splenda. And there you have a nutritious and satisfying breakfast. Moving on to lunch, today we're having a 3-bean salad. This salad is a fantastic mix of textures and flavors, and it's super easy to make. In a medium bowl, combine half a cup of canned cannellini beans. If you're using canned beans, remember to rinse them thoroughly before adding. Next, add half a cup of canned black beans. Again, make sure to rinse if they're canned. Then add 1 cup of cooked French-cut string beans. You can use frozen or fresh string beans. If you're using frozen ones, just thaw and drain them before adding. Finally, add a 1/4 cup of chopped onion. For the dressing, mix together 1 tablespoon of olive oil, red wine vinegar, and balsamic vinegar. Pour the dressing over the beans and vegetables and give it a good stir to coat everything in that delicious flavor. And that's your quick and healthy lunch ready in just a few minutes. For a snack, grab a bag and have fun with it. Half a medium apple. This is a great way to enjoy the natural sweetness of an apple without adding extra calories. Now, let's move on to dinner. Today, we're making a dish with 99% lean ground turkey. In a pan on your stovetop, brown the ground turkey over medium heat. Break it up into small pieces as it cooks. This will ensure that it cooks evenly and prevent it from drying out. While the turkey is cooking, place 2 slices of whole rye bread on a plate. A whole grain bread like rye bread provides more fiber and nutrients than white bread. Add half a cup of baby spinach to the plate with the bread. Spinach is loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Next, add a 1/4 cup of chopped artichoke hearts. Make sure to keep the artichoke hearts in their water and not oil. Oil adds unnecessary calories and fat to the dish. And finally, drizzle 1 tablespoon of vinaigrette dressing over the spinach. Once the ground turkey is fully cooked, place it on top of the bread and add the spinach and artichoke mixture on top of the meat. And that's your nutritious and delicious dinner. Remember, you can adjust the recipes and ingredients to suit your taste preferences and dietary needs. For example, you can substitute the ground turkey with roast turkey. But keep in mind that deli meats often have high sodium content. So if you do use deli meats, choose the low sodium option. We've made it to the end of day 9. How are you feeling? Remember, you're not just changing your eating habits, you're cultivating a healthier relationship with yourself and your body. The choices you make today will not only benefit your physical health, but also your mental and emotional well-being. Keep going. Your body and mind will thank you. Please subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for day 10.